Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you we've invited Engineer Wang to demonstrate how to retrieve a recipe and complete the size switching procedure on the 6-side EPS package machine. Today, we'll show you how to switch the packaging dimensions from 450x 600 mm to 500x 700 1500 mm, as well as how to retrieve the corresponding recipe. When changing package sizes, you usually need to replace the PE film with one of the appropriate width, but we won't cover that in detail in this video. Next, follow the turns shown on the machine and use the remote control to adjust the mold frame and sealing knife to the proper positions. Once the adjustments are complete, you can retrieve the recipe from the touchscreen display. Our technicians have already stored the recipe in the machine. Click Other, select Recipe, and find 500x 700x 1500 mm in the list. This size is stored in Group 2. Enter the number 2. Then click Download. The system will automatically load all related parameters. Finally, we're ready to start the packaging test. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.